guide you through how to enable dark mode on YouTube quickly and easily. So the first thing you need to do is to open your YouTube app on your phone or go to your youtube.com on your browser. Then make sure you are signed in to your account. Next, tap your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen to open the settings menu. From there, look for the settings option and tap it. Once inside settings, find and select general, then look for the appearance or dark theme, depending on your device. Now, simply toggle the dark mode switch on and you'll instantly see the background change to a darker interface, which is easier on the eye, especially at night. If you're using a desktop, click your profile icon at the top right, then click Appearance and choose Dark Theme. From the options, you can also set it to match your device theme if available.